everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm in the bathroom. The lighting is really good here, so I thought I'd come on and say hi to you all. And as you know, if you have been following me for a little while, you'll know that it was my birthday on the 21st of June, along with, of course, my husband Chris's. We both share the same birthday. I thought I would show you what I had for my birthday, if you want to see exactly what I had, and I'll be with you in just a matter of a second. So these are the flowers that Chris bought me as part of my birthday present. They're absolutely huge. They weigh an absolute ton. Oh, hello, you have to get involved in every video, don't you, missus? And here we've got all sorts of things. There's lilies, there's gerberas, carnations, irises, there's all sorts in here, and the smell is absolutely amazing. These are from Alison, my stepdaughter Alison. So we've got gerberas, roses, again I've got carnations, chrysanthemums, absolutely beautiful. She knows me so well. The colour scheme, beautiful little gerberas, look. This one here is from 3 of my sons as part of the present. They gave me other things as well, but they also bought me these flowers. So again, I think everybody knows I love gerberas and lilies, because that's what I've been lucky enough to have, but they're really, really pretty as well. These are from Amanda and the 2 girls over in Casey. Again, the colour scheme that I like. So I've got the chrysanthemums and I've got the daisies, I've got the gerberas again, and they are just so pretty. I've been so lucky. This Yankee candle came from Emma, James and Arabella, along with some other bits and pieces, which I will show you in a minute. And this is Berry Bliss. Oh, it smells amazing. This is my Lulu Guinness bag that I had from my husband for my birthday. Lulu Guinness is my favourite English designer. Absolutely love her stuff and have several of her bags. So beautifully well made. It's the Saffiano leather, and it's got the gold hardware, and at the side it's got suede on the side of the bag. Absolutely beautiful. I think this is my favourite Lulu Guinness bag that I actually own at the moment. This beautiful scarf here is from my friends Sally and Sarah, and I also had some gin to go with this. This scarf here with the pineapples on is from my friend Sally. These Guess sandals are from my daughter Holly, the children, and her husband Andy, along with, she did my nails as well. This is the other presents from Emma, James and Arabella. Here, I'm just about to use one of these in my bath. This present was from Alison and Amanda. It's a joint one for Chris and I, and the grandchildren, of course. And it's a murder mystery, break and dinner for two. This was from one of my sons. I have some cash in here. We also had from one of my boys afternoon tea on the local ferry to us, which takes us all around the different forts in the Solent, and then we have afternoon tea. And then I had all of this from my daughter Hannah, Geo oil, some skin juice, volumizing conditioner, some Lange of Paris BB cream, lipsticks from Pixie, pumps and pimps. This is a blow dry heat protective protection for your hair. This is by Skin and it's the gentle cleanser. A small eyeshadow by MAC. From my son Luke, I had my new Pandora ring. There you are, it's focused now. I'm just going to put these two bath bombs from Emma in the bath. Let's go. Nice little rainbow there of the lemon and the pink. I love everything that I've had. I've been so spoiled. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a nice big thumbs up. If you'd love to see more of my videos, then of course please subscribe to my channel. I'll chat to you all soon. Bye my lovelies. Bye bye.